building their legacy on the cornerstones, classrooms, and hallways of Cal State University Dominguez Hills. Without further ado, I would like to introduce you to one of the finest panels of physical educators and sports medicine practitioners that have ever gathered on this side of the 405 freeway. Starting from my left, Tony Diaz began his career at Cal State University Dominguez Hills as an outstanding intercollegiate baseball player for 2 years. Shortly thereafter, Tony became interested in the athletic training internship program and eventually earned his BA from Dominguez Hills and became a certified athletic trainer. Tony worked at Tom Hicks baseball camp for 3 years before becoming employed at Little Company Mary Hospital in the Madrona Physical Therapy Department, where he was employed for 5 years. Last season, Tony worked for the El Camino Compton Center as a physical education instructor and athletic trainer. Tony was well respected and highly appreciated for his service to the football team. Tony also worked with the Major League Baseball's Urban Youth Academy, where he worked with underprivileged youth, being in charge of injury care and management, coordination of baseball events, and baseball instruction. Tony's long-term goal is to become an athletic administrator or full-time physical education instructor on the university or community college level. Tony is also very proud to be the first member on either side of his family to have earned a master's degree, which is in the area of physical education administration. Next, I have Yvonne Durand. Yvonne began her journey at Cal State University Dominguez Hills immediately after high school, where she became a scholarship athlete and member of the Toro volleyball team. After sustaining several injuries and receiving care from the athletic training staff, Yvonne became interested in the field of athletic training and subsequently enrolled in the athletic training internship program here at Dominguez Hills. Yvonne completed her football experience at Orange Coast College and began her first athletic training position at Corona Del Mar High School while working in the mornings as a PTA at a local clinic. After becoming a certified athletic trainer, Yvonne took a short-term position as an athletic trainer at Santa Ana College. While working at Santa Ana, Yvonne was encouraged to further her education, which led to her obtaining a master's degree in education. Yvonne has since returned to Orange Coast College, where she works as an athletic trainer and part-time physical education instructor, while at the same time enjoying her responsibilities of raising her 2 young children. Yvonne credits her career in athletic training and physical education to the ability to keep in contact with mentors and professionals in the field, making sure they remember her name. Yvonne loves working at Orange Coast College and hopes to retire from that institution. Keith Ellison hails from Loyola Marymount University, where he obtained a BA degree in business with a minor in economics. He also received a master's in counseling. Keith was a student intern at Loyola Marymount who took the bulk of his athletic training classes here at Cal State Dominguez Hills. He is a certified athletic trainer who served as an assistant trainer at LMU for 6 years and has been the head trainer for another 13 years. Keith's total time at LMU is 19 years in the athletic training facility. Keith, you telling your age? Are you telling my age? Working at LMU for a total of 19 years, Keith has been adjunct faculty there for 13 years. In his youth, although he is quite comfortable at LMU, Keith aspired to be the head trainer in the NBA. If the opportunity ever arose, he would consider an NBA position. Keith is content with working at LMU for the time being. Here we have our own Dr. Mike Ernst. Many of you may not have even known that Dr. Ernst was a product of Cal State Dominguez Hills. Dr. Michael Ernst received his Master of Science degree in Health and Physical Education from the University of Wyoming. He received his PhD from Arizona State University. Dr. Ernst is the past chair of the Council on Physical Education for Children and Executive Council of the the National Association for Sports and Physical Education. He is the past president of Torrance Unified School District Board of Education and a member of the board. Dr. Ernst is currently Vice President for Southern California Regional Occupational Center. He's also past chair of the California Budget Committee. Dr. Ernst is the past chair of the Division of Kinesiology and Recreation for 8 years. Dr. Chris Ingstad. Dr. Ingstad received his BA degree from Cal State University, Dominguez Hills, and his doctorate in physical therapy from the University of St. Augustine in St. Augustine, Florida. After competing for 4 years as a standout pitcher on the Dominguez Hills baseball team, Dr. Chris joined the athletic training program, which catapulted his career in sports medicine. In addition to having a doctorate degree in physical therapy, Chris is a certified athletic trainer and has worked with professional and collegiate athletes doing performance evaluations and training. In addition to working various events as an athletic trainer, Chris currently works in the clinical setting, specializing in the areas of pain management and orthopedic physical therapy. Chris serves as adjunct faculty in the kinesiology department here at Dominguez Hills and is also on the faculty of biomechanics as a performance and education specialist. Chris has recently returned from Florida, where he took a very grueling manual therapy certification examination. He is also planning to obtain his orthopedic clinical specialist certification. Ethan Kreisworth. Ethan Kreisworth is the Director of Athletic Training and Assistant Professor in Exercise and Sports Science at Concordia University in Irvine. Concordia University is one of 16 approved undergraduate athletic training education programs within California. Ethan's athletic training career includes 11 years as the head athletic trainer here at Cal State Dominguez Hills, prior to going to Concordia. Prior to Dominguez Hills, Ethan was an athletic trainer in the minor league baseball system, as well as an athletic trainer at Santa Monica College. Ethan is the owner of Kreisworth Sports Medicine Systems, where he is the medical coordinator of the International Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Federation. Ethan is a professional rescue instructor for the American Red Cross. He received his BA and MA degrees from Cal State Dominguez Hills and is currently pursuing his doctorate in athletic training at Rocky Mountain University of Health Professions. Ethan is currently doing research on various predictors of trunk and lower extremity injuries. Ethan has current contributory authorship in peer-reviewed journals, including Athletic Therapy Today and International Journal of Sports Medicine. Ethan continues to serve as adjunct faculty in the Cal State Dominguez Hills Kinesiology Department and as a faculty member of Biomechanics, Sports Medicine, and Physical Therapy. Tim McGuire. Tim McGuire began his career in sports medicine as an athletic training student at Cal State Dominguez Hills and physical education instructor for the California Academy for Math and Science, otherwise known as CAMS, located on the Dominguez Hills campus. Upon completing the athletic training internship program and receiving his BA degree from Dominguez Hills and becoming a certified athletic trainer and certified strength and conditioning specialist, Tim was hired as a part-time athletic trainer by Cal State Dominguez Hills. So Tim is one of these folks who came and never left. The next year, Tim was hired by Dominguez Hills as a full-time athletic trainer where his primary responsibilities were in the area of strength and conditioning for the athletic teams. Tim has a wealth of experience in the area of performance enhancement and fitness testing. He has worked some short-time assignments for the West Coast Sports Medicine Foundation, performing fitness assessments for the Los Angeles Kings. Last year, Tim was named the head athletic trainer at Cal State University Dominguez Hills and has found much favor among the athletes, coaches, and athletic department staff. Tim had a tremendous impact on the Cal State University Dominguez Hills 2008 National Championship soccer team, overseeing all aspects of their injury care management and athletic trainer for the athletics department. Tim has also served the kinesiology department as an adjunct fountain